The Cat and the Mouse. Cat and Mouse used to be good friends. They lived together. Mouse was very hardworking, whereas Cat liked to spend his time sleeping. One day, Cat invited Mouse to go traveling. Let's build a sampan using a pumpkin. That's a great idea. Once the sampan was built, Mouse loaded it with all that they needed for their trip. However, he forgot about their food. Cat and Mouse began their journey. I'm starving. Let's eat now. I'm sorry, Cat. I forgot our food. Upon hearing Mouse's answer, Cat became furious. You're very forgetful, Mouse. Well, if there isn't any food, I will just have to eat you. We've been friends for so long. Please don't eat me. In fact, Cat was just teasing Mouse. Cat then fell asleep as he was exhausted. Mouse was terrified about what Cat had said earlier. He quickly thought of a way to save himself from Cat. Suddenly, Mouse remembered that their sampan was made from a pumpkin. Mouse started chewing on the sampan. The strange noises kept Cat awake suddenly. He saw Mouse, who then pretended to be asleep. When Cat fell asleep again, Mouse continued chewing on the sampan. Soon the hole in the sampan got bigger. Water started seeping in. Cat awoke when he felt his body wet. Why is there water here? Did you eat our sampan, Mouse? Of course not. The sampan was slowly sinking. Mouse quickly jumped into the water to save himself. You're so mean! You destroyed our sampan. Looks like you're sinking with the sampan, Cat. I will definitely eat you one day. Mouse was scared stiff. Upon reaching the riverbank, he hid in a hole. From that day onwards, the two friends became enemies.